back up. Papas. No papas. No papas. Nah, but this nigga's papa.
Oh,
That
no,
nigga's
not
papa.
me, not me. I'm not papa.
What happened, Miley?
Becky is broken.
Becky's broken, yeah.
Becky's broken?
Yeah. We got all the wiring, all the wire harness, all the cabling. We got the shift link right there. We got the fuse box. We're still working on that side. Sammy is working on this. So once he's done, yeah, Sammy's working on this baby. So once he's done, then I come through. I start rewiring everything. So all the wires that used to come outside this way, I will have to reroute it through here, boom, behind the fenders, and come behind the fenders, and then wire the headlights, wire the sensors for the radiator, the sensors for the everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything that goes up here. So also the fuse box that was here, I will have to relocate that fuse box, put it inside the car. It's gonna be challenging, but it's possible. Show them, Caitlin. Which wire we gotta extend, Caitlin? Which one? Which one we gotta extend? That one? What else? That one? Where's the fuse box? Where's Becky's engine? Yeah. Oh my God. So no dash. So we had to take off the dash to swap out the wire harness from the automatic to stick. So as you can tell, it's a mess.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
it's time. Come and follow me.
Okay, I follow you. Huh?
Look.
Oh yeah, that's the pressure gauge.
Daddy, I found a magnet.
What happened, baby?
Look, I found it.
Oh, you found it.
Now
That's AccuAir.
that's you tail.
Yeah.
Go up and up.
So yeah, here we have all the wire harness from the 6-speed. Now, yes, there is a difference between the automatic and the manual harness. So on the manual, I just noticed it's less wiring. Here we have the computer, and this is the engine harness. This goes to the engine, which is pretty much this one. This is the automatic one. So there's less wiring on the 6-speed. This is the 6-speed harness. All right. So the computer is down here. So this has to be replaced. This is the automatic ECU. We're gonna take this out and swap it with the 6-speed computer. Now I have to figure out if I have to change the dash harness. It's gonna be a headache if I have to change it, but it is what it is. I already got the harness. So if I have to change the dash harness, all the wires that goes from there to there, because I think the cluster is different too. So let's cross our fingers, but this definitely needs to be changed because there's less wiring, like I said. Like for example, this is the 6-speed one. See this plug? Nothing is there. I'm not sure what is that. It might be something with the automatic transmission. I'm not 100% sure. I could find out. But yeah, that plug doesn't exist on the 6-speed. Now on the automatic, this is right here. You see? I don't know if you guys can see, but it's this one right here. Get all that wiring. See? All that is extra wiring for the automatic. All of that. All right, so I started laying out all the wire harness. So this is the dash harness. I mean, it's confusing now, but I mean, I know what I took out, so I know what's what. That's the shift link and so on and so forth, yeah. So this is the dash harness. So I tracked it back and I plugged in everything that goes to the computer. So it seems like I will have to swap that whole wiring on the dash. This is gonna be very, very fun. So everything plugs in, everything's in place. Now I'm gonna have to take out the dash and swap out this wiring harness.
Fleslet on the beat.
Ooh, so I just finished running all the cabling. The engine harness is already inside. Ooh, it's inside.
6 speed.
Come on, let's go in there. Go in there. Ooh, yeah, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, yeah. Fold in place. Gotta put the screw in. Right there. Oh, yeah, right there. We gotta put the other screw. Ooh, let's go around. Let's go around over here. Over to this side. Oh yeah, right there. Ooh, right there.
If you feel like you want to, just keep it. You don't want
But now that's
you want
after
deeper.
everything though.
Get into more curbles, get more into that, get into it before you get into something that you like, oh man.
Alright. Right now laying down the primer. As you can see, it's coming along. The shape is coming to life.
That's it, bro.
Look at this. Ooh.
Just gotta wet sand it. It's gonna
Wet
become-
sand and that's it. Look at this. Clean.
A lot of players.